Hello, people. If you would like to see me transform this look into something beautiful, bouncy, and fluffy, please stay tuned. I'm about to do a Flexi rod set on blown out hair. So I always use heat protectant before blow drying my hair. I use the Chi heat protectant, and sometimes I use the Kim Campbell product. Her product is really good for flat irons. So yeah, about to blow it out and go from there. Okay, so I'm using 3 different size flexi rods. You will see that later in the video. I just part a good layer of my hair at the back, and I'm gonna use some mousse just to wet it just a little bit. Make sure the ends are slick. I only do one pump for each section, and that usually is enough. Brush it through and put the flexi rod on. Later in the video, I kind of give you a close-up of how to put this flexi rod on the easiest way for me anyway. I start with my ends. I wrap around the flexi rod, make sure the mousse has the hair flat, and I roll over the hair that I put on the flexi rod to secure it. So you'll see in a clip where I do a close-up of that. So I had did a part across the back with 2 sections. Now I have the part at the middle of my hair, and I did 3 sections. I'm moving on to the purple flexi rod. Okay, so now I'm at the front of my head. I have, look, I'm always eating something, hungry. I have 3 purple left and 4 green. So now I'm just trying to debate on how to put it in my head so that the curls can look properly proportionate. So I'm parting one side of my hair. I'm going to put a purple right there, and on the same side on the opposite side. The same way on the opposite side of my head, I'm going to do another purple one. You'll see that. Moving on to the middle of my head, I just did a part down the middle, 4 sections. 2 green right there at the back, and then I'm going to do 2 green in the front. So now I'm about to show you close up how I roll it around. So I take that mousse, slick it down, roll it around, make sure it's flush, and then you're going to roll the hair over that end so that it can secure it. I twist it to give it that the wand curl look instead of that Shirley Temple curl. That's very hard to explain, but those are 2 different types of curls. If you don't twist the flexi rod, it's not going to come out looking like that wand curl. It's going to come out looking like the Shirley Temple curl. And I don't like the Shirley Temple curl. I want the wand curl. So now I'm just checking to make sure that it's dry, and it dried super fast. I think it had been about maybe, I say 2 to 3 hours. And that mousse doesn't take long to dry. That mousse is really good too. It's the Most Def mousse. You can get it at Target. So now you see me, I've taken down the flexi rods. I'm just gonna gently pull apart this curl. I know it's gonna grow in the next couple days, so I'm not gonna pick it out too much, but I'm gonna give y'all a nice fluffy look. I don't like flat hair, so I'm about to pick this out a little bit. So I love this on blown out hair because when you do it on wet hair, it seems that the textures are always inconsistent. And look at that. One side is flat, one side is big. So that's why I always pick it. But if you do it on wet hair, you can risk your roots looking really shriveled up and shrunken compared to the rest of your hair. Even if you sit under the dryer, it's just really hard to get those roots to match the texture of your hair once you take it out of the flexi rod. So it just looks better to me. It's fluffier and prettier when you blow dry it first. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to wear it. Do I wear it on one side? Do I want the middle part? Do I want the bang, kind of like the diva cut look? I don't know. But this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer them, okay? Comment, like, and subscribe.